Rick, darling, for our viewers at home, how is the current ground situation? Can you please report?
This is Ricky the Rabbit reporting from Marina Beach, where nature has decided to shake us like salad. This is Ricky the Rabbit reporting from Marina Beach regarding Cyclone Ditwa update live. Did you hear that? That was either lightning or my heart. Due to Cyclone Ditwa, heavy rain is coming across Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Flights canceled, schools closed. My lunch break also canceled. The situation is wet. I can confirm it is so raining.
Oh, Ricky, that sounds dreadful. Stay safe out there.